Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. This is the user guide for AnyLoca on PC. AnyLoca is a reliable and powerful iPhone location chainer on Windows and Mac systems that can be utilized in a wide range of applications, such as mobile games and social apps. In today's video, I will show you how to change the location by multi-spot movement on iPhone. First, connect your iPhone to PC and launch AnyLoca. From the homepage, click the Start button, then select your iPhone and hit Next. Next, we need to turn on developer mode. From the map, choose the third function, multi-spot movement on the top right corner. To plan to move, just directly click the multiple locations on the map, set up the speed, and click Start. Now you are moving along the planned route at a specified speed without actually moving. This function is widely used in those location-based games. Go ahead to try. Okay, it's all for today. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.